Well, today, Law Week continues on Wake Up Today. This is when we get a volunteer attorney to give us information on important legal matters that affect a lot of people. Today's topic is small claims court. Joining us this morning to better help us understand how small claims court works is Lisa Yang. She's an associate attorney with Watanabe Ing. Good morning, Lisa. Thank you for joining us this morning.
Good morning.
Well, let's start off. What type of cases are heard in the small claims court?
Okay, well, first, there are small claims courts on each island. The kind of claims in small court that you'll see are pretty much any type of claim for money damages. This could include loan repayment claims, car repair claims, car accident damage claims, and landlord claims for damages to the unit and back rent. The monetary limit for these claims are $5,000. Additionally, all claims by a tenant for the return of a security deposit are heard in small claims court, and for those cases, there is no monetary limit.
What are the advantages and maybe some disadvantages of filing a case in the small claims division?
Well, in small claims court, the procedure is simple, more informal, and because of that, the cases are usually resolved much more quickly than cases that usually said are filed in circuit court. That said, in small claims court, the decision of the judge is final. There is no right of appeal from a judgment that is issued in small claims court.
Yeah, and you do have that limit of $5,000 too. That could be, I guess, an advantage or a disadvantage. What steps should you take to file a claim in small claims court?
If you want to file a claim in small claims court, you are required to file a statement of claim with the court clerk at your district court. If you go to district court and you ask the clerk to give you the necessary form, the statement of claim, they can give that to you. But I must let everyone know here that the clerk cannot give legal advice. Small claims forms statement of claim forms can also be found on the Hawaii Judiciary website.
What about evidence? What kind of evidence can you present to the judge to prove your case?
So when if your case goes to trial, you should pretty much bring all types of written documentation that you can to prove your money damages claim. This can include witness testimony, especially yourself or the other parties, evidence of the debt, signed documents, written contracts, paid bills or unpaid invoices, repair estimates, texts, emails, letters, and photos. These documents should be brought to trial, and a copy should also be brought for the judge and the opposing party. All your documents should be returned when the trial is over.
It sounds simple enough. Let me ask you this, Lisa. Is this like the People's Court or Judge Judy? Is that small claims court that these television shows have?
Unfortunately, no. But Judge Judy I actually did look this up. It's more of an arbitration proceeding. This is court, state court that given its power under our Constitution.
Yeah.
But Judge Judy is more private. It's a private agreement. People who go on Judge Judy, I found out that they actually agree to go on by private agreement. So it's a little bit different.
A little different.
But yeah, a little different. But
do you need an attorney? Do you need an attorney at small claims court?
You can retain an attorney if you would like, but when it's not necessary.
It's not necessary. That's a good point. All right, Lisa, thank you. I think you really shed some light on small claims court, and you answered my question about Judge Judy, what kind of court that is. Thank you very much, Lisa. We appreciate your time.